In the next few minutes, you're going to see what sleep deprivation actually does to your brain. And it's darker than you think. Most people believe missing a night's sleep just makes you tired. The truth? It starts destroying your brain, your emotions, and even your DNA. From the very first night, in 1964, a 17-year-old named Randy Gardner set the world record by staying awake for 11 days. By day 2, he couldn't focus. By day 4, he was hallucinating. By day 6, his body temperature collapsed. Doctors had to step in before his brain shut down completely. The same biological chaos happens to anyone who sleeps less than 6 hours a night, slowly and visibly. When you skip sleep, the amygdala, the fear center of your brain, fires 60% more. The prefrontal cortex, the part that controls logic and emotions, starts going offline. Translation? You become more anxious, impulsive, and emotionally unstable. Meanwhile, your immune system drops 40%. Your blood sugar spikes and your brain begins accumulating beta amyloid, a toxin linked to Alzheimer's. Sleep isn't rest, it's repair. Imagine your brain as a city. Every night, millions of garbage trucks come out. These are your glial cells, cleaning waste and toxins. But if you don't sleep, that waste piles up. The traffic jams grow. Your memory fades. Your mood darkens. And slowly, you start losing yourself. The next time you think skipping sleep will help you get more done, remember this. You're not saving time. You're stealing it from your future self. Tonight, protect your brain. Turn off your phone, breathe, and give your body the sleep it's begging for. And if you want me to break down the exact sleep routine used by astronauts, drop astronaut in the comments.